What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, as you read the title, I'm going to show you a very cool swing trading strategy. So if you're interested, make sure to stick till the end to get the most value out of the video. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to not miss out on any future uploads. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. But before I start the video, make sure you join my free signal group on Telegram. I send daily signals over there. It's literally for free. All you have to do is click the link down below to join it. And if you want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram. You'll have my Telegram username link down below as well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. My last video was me sharing a day trading strategy involving the 200 EMA and the MACD. And at the end of the video, I told you guys that I would do a swing trading strategy as well, since I know there's a lot of people with full-time jobs, with families that don't really have the time to stay that much on the charts. Because if you already saw the previous video, we were focusing on the 15-minute time frame to be able to get those day trades. And trust me, if you want to trade the 15-minute time frame, you gotta have a lot of time to stay in front of the charts. If you don't, then this strategy is for you. This strategy will be on the 4-hour, and I'm gonna use USDJPY for today's video example. Of course, you can trade it on any pair, but please make sure to go and backtest it before using it on your account. Also demo test it before using it on your live account. That's what I suggest. And please use proper risk management. Okay, the people that already watched my day trading strategy video, you guys know that we use the 200 EMA and the MACD, but for the swing trading strategy I added a indicator, which is the RSI. Okay, and it's going to be a little bit different than the day trading strategy. It's going to be very similar but a bit different. Okay, and then you will see exactly why. So let's run quickly through the indicators, because there's some people that didn't watch the previous video, and this is why I do this for the people that only are here for the swing trading strategy. So we add the EMA, we click on moving average exponential, and we select the length to 200 from the settings. Okay, length 200. Then we add the RSI, the relative strength index. We click on it. We leave it as default. We only disable this RSI based MA. I don't like to have it. And then we select the MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, and we go on it on the settings. And the style, we untick the MACD, the signal, and the zero line. And inputs we leave all as default. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So now, how do we look for entries? We look for entries when we are above the 200 EMA for buys, and when we are below the 200 EMAs for sells. Okay, if the EMA is flat like it is here, and it doesn't have a direction and the price is consolidating on it like this, we do not trade. We simply wait for the price to pick its side and start a trend, up or down trend. Okay, and then how do we look for entries? Well, we look for entries watching for a RSI divergence, and we enter when we see a MACD crossover. Okay, so it's going to be a combination of 3 indicators. It's going to be a bit more complex than the day trading strategy. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. But I will make sure that you guys understand everything. Okay, you guys know me, I like to use the live market, the recent market structure as example. I'm not going to go back in time and pick some really good trades just to show off. As a record, this strategy has around 50 to 60% win rate. It's going to be a 1 to 2 risk to reward rate strategy, which is very good. Having a 50% win rate for a 1 to 2 risk to reward strategy is really good, but please make sure to backtest. Okay, so let's get straight into some examples. Here we are above, and we can see that on the RSI divergence we have on the RSI we have divergence. I'm gonna show you exactly why. So on the chart we created a higher low, whereas on the RSI we created a lower low. Okay, so after we have this, let's just use the bar replay. Okay, so after we have this, we just wait for a MACD crossover. Okay, and we got it. Where was it? 1 second. It was on this candle right here. Okay, so we wait for the MACD crossover on the candle closure, which was right here. Okay, and right here we enter a buy. Our stop loss will be above below this low. Okay, the swing low, and our take profit will be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's just play the market now and see what happened. Oh, this is from today, so still playing out. Okay, exit. As you can see, it's very close to the take profit. Okay, now let's just scroll and watch for some more examples here. Since we are on the 200 EMA and the 200 EMA is flat, we simply do not look for setups. Okay, so as we can see in August we had only, I mean this one is actually today, so oh no, it was on the 29th of August. So in August we really had only one setup. Okay, that played out, but as I said, it's a swing trading strategy, so do not expect to get a lot of setups. Okay, it's that simple. Do not expect to get 10 setups per month. I mean, if you want, you can get 10 setups per month, but you have to use this strategy on more pairs. Okay, it's that simple. Here we have a clear trend, so here we are going to look for a lot of setups. Let's see if we have a stop loss as well for me to share with you guys, and we do. Because as I said, we will get stop losses as well, right? It's normal, and this is actually a very good example. So on the chart we created a higher low, but on the RSI we created a lower low. Okay, so now we just wait for a buy entry. We look for the MACD to turn green. Let's see for the crossover. Do we have the crossover? Yeah, we do. So the crossover was right here, and right here we would have entered a buy after this candle closed with the stop loss below the swing low, and we would have aimed for a 1 to 2, which was never hit because this would have been a loss. Okay, as you can see, stop loss was hit right there, so we just move on. Okay, let's see if we get some more entries here. The price moves correctly. Okay, the RSI is moving with the chart, so we don't have any divergences here, but we do actually have one right here. Okay, so we created a higher low on the chart but a lower low on the RSI, so that means we are ready to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so we just wait for the crossover on the MACD, and then we enter the buy. Oh, this is the crossover. We enter the buy right here with the stop loss right below this swing low and the take profit at 2R. Yeah. So let's just play the market, see what happens. Oh, very close to the stop loss. And do we get a take profit here? Yeah, we do. Take profit hit right here. Let's see if I can find one or two more examples before ending the video, because I know that you guys already understood how this strategy works and there's no need for me to stay on your head too much and take too much of your time, because it's very simple to use. It has some strict rules. All you need to do is follow them. It's that simple. Okay, so here we are within the 200 EMA, so we do not trade. Here the RSI moves according to the chart, so no divergences. Here though, I think this would have been another loss, okay? So till now we have 2 losses and 2 wins, which would bring us at a 2R profit, okay? Since we use a 1 to 2 risk to reward strategy. We have a divergence right here, and we would have entered right on the crossover, which is right here. We would have entered the buy right here. Stop loss would have been here, and take profit doesn't even matter because, as you can see, the stop loss would have got hit. Okay, so let's see if I can find one more example before ending the video. And yeah, I can. Okay, this is very clear to see. We formed a higher low on the chart and a lower low on the RSI. Now all we wait for is the MACD crossover, which we get right here. Oh, not yet. Boom. Oh, it was actually here on this candle. Okay, no matter how small that little pinch is, it matters. Okay, so that's our entry point, stop loss below the swing low, and the take profit at 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, so let's just play the market now and take profit hit. Okay, and yeah guys, this is pretty much the strategy. Like as I said, it's pretty simple to use. Being a swing trading strategy, you won't really have to spend that much time on the charts. As I said, per setup, per pair, you're gonna have between maybe 1 maximum 3 setups per month, I would say. So if you want to get more setups in a month, then just consider trading this strategy on more pairs. Okay, and what can I say? Just stick to the rules, use proper risk management, and as I said, if you have questions, please drop them down below. The strategy is really simple to use. It's a bit more complex than the day trading strategy since I added another indicator, but overall, I think that it's really, really simple to respect. You just need to follow the rules every single day and wait for setups, okay? Because as I said, it's gonna take time, and if you're not patient, then you either are gonna switch for the day trading strategy if you have the time. If you don't, then just use the same strategy but on more pairs. Try 5, maybe 6, 7 pairs, and like this you will have over 10 setups per month, I would say. Okay, so yeah, that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, I would appreciate it I would appreciate to receive some likes from you all, and also feel free to share the video. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.